2016 probability gives us this archery competition question. They'll win first prize if at least 2 of them hit the bullseye. We're given the probabilities of them hitting the bullseye, and we're giving this table where one of the options is filled in for us. John and David have hit the bullseye. Mike has missed. What about John? David misses and Mike. And John misses, David hits and Mike hits. And because it's at least 2 of them, all 3 can win 2. So we have the probabilities here. 1 over 5 is hitting. So in way 1, we've 1 over 5. We've 1 over 6. And instead of 1 over 4, we 3 over 4. So we should be able to fill these in. 1 over 5 by 1 over 6 by 3 over 4. So we're just going to have a 3 on top. And on the bottom, 5 6s are 30 by 4 is 120. Way 2, again, it's 1 over 5. It's not 1 over 6, so it has to be 5 over 6. And it's not 3 over 4, so it has to be 1 over 4. And that's going to give us a 5 on top. And again, a 120 on the bottom. Way 3. We have not a 1 over 5, so we have a 4 over 5 on top. And then we have a 1 over 6. And then we have a 1 over 4. And that's a 4 on top. And a 120 on the bottom. And way 4 is the 1 over 5 by 1 over 6 by 1 over 4, which is 1 over 120. So adding all these together, 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1, 8 and 5 is 13 over 120 is the probability that they will win the competition. Second part of this question, 2 events A and B are represented. We're given the intersection, 0.1. Probably a B given A, which is over here, 0.3. And the probability of A less B is X. And write the probability of A in terms of X, and hence or otherwise find the value for X for which the events are independent. So probability of A by the probability of B is equal to the probability of A intersection B for independent events. Well, the probability of A is just equal to X plus 0.1. That's all they're looking for there. And that's it. No other. Yeah, that's it for this question. So that's just really simple part 2 here. 2016. So we have the probability of B. That's the probability of A. The probability of B is 0.4. So we have the probability of A and the probability of B, and we have the probability of A intersection B. So it's just X plus 0.1 by, that's the probability of A, by the probability of B, which is 0.4. That's equal to the probability of A intersection B, which is 0.1. I could divide across by 0.1 here to begin. Would that be the quickest way to do it? I'll just multiply it out. X by 0.4, 0.4 X plus 0.1 by 0.4 is 0.04 equals 0.1. 0.4X is equal to, is that 0.10 take away 4, 0.06. So X is equal to 0.06 over 0.4. So that's equal to 0.15. That's right, yeah, 0.15. And that's all we're asked to show here. So a nice easy question in 2016. And question 6 as well, what's probability? We'll go on and look at that next.